In the United States, hospice care can be given at home in certain circumstances, which normally relate to the health of the patient. Normally, such services are provided for people who are not physically capable of leaving their home, yet don't wish to enter a hospice. One such provider of home care services was Global Healthcare Inc., owned by Florence Bikundi and her husband, Michael Bikundi. In 1999, Florence Bikundi went by her maiden name of Florence Iguacho. In August 1999, the Virginia Board of Nursing revoked the nursing license of Florence Iguacho. In March 2000, the United States Department of Health and Human Services Office of Inspector General notified Florence Iguacho in writing that she was excluded from participation in Medicare, Medicaid, and all federal health care programs due to the revocation. Florence Bikundi subsequently concealed her past, namely the Medicare exclusion and revocation of her nursing license, when she applied for a Medicaid provider number for Global Healthcare in June 2009 using the name of Florence Bikundi. She also used 3 forged signatures on her Medicaid provider application. Florence Bikundi married Michael Bikundi in September 2009. From August 2009 through February 2014, Florence and Michael Bikundi used Global Healthcare to carry out a massive fraud. Year after year, the District of Columbia's Medicaid program was billed for personal home health aid services that were not fully provided to Medicare beneficiaries. Phony timesheets, patient files and employment files were created. Global Healthcare generated increasing amounts of payments as the years continued, going from roughly $1.35 million in 2009 to $14.27 million in 2011 to $27.16 million in 2013. The Bikundis used the proceeds to finance a lavish lifestyle. In just over 3 years, they spent $1.3 million to purchase and renovate a newly built home. They also used the proceeds for a $140,000 Land Rover, a $120,000 Porsche, a $75,000 Mercedes-Benz, a $70,000 Cadillac, and a $36,000 BMW. They and others defrauded the District of Columbia Medicaid program of over $80 million. Subsequent to their arrest and trial, Florence Bikundi and Michael Bikundi were found guilty for healthcare fraud, money laundering, and other charges on November 12, 2015 in the United States District Court for the District of Columbia. In June 2016, both defendants were sentenced, with Florence Bikundi receiving 10 years in prison and Michael D. Bikundi Sr. to 7 years in prison. Judge Howell also imposed a forfeiture money judgment of nearly $40 million on both defendants and ordered the defendants to pay over $80 million in restoration to the District of Columbia Medicaid. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to learn more about the myths and corruption surrounding medicine. It's the little image of the Neanderthal on the bottom right of your screen. Also, please indicate whether you like or dislike this video.